I just wanted to document this. This is my anime display case. I'll probably talk about it another time, but I feel really good today. And I just wanted to document this because it's different. It's amazing what like walking in nature and like breakfast and like fruit, drinking water can do. Just like that air, and also I'm like living with nature, like with birds and things more than humans. Like when they come to their bird feeders and eat, like this yellow gold American goldfinch came to eat, and it was so bright yellow, and it was eating on my yellow what's it called, bird feeder. Yeah, father and I made that, and it was so cool. Yeah, it was eating there today, and it made me so happy that I'm like feeding birds and they're like getting all nice and like sassy and fat and cute, and I'm getting a little bit fat and sassy and cute or something. And it's like, I just want to document this because I don't often feel very good. I've been going through a shitload of crazy stuff, like healing a concussion, the passing of my brother, and my brother-in-law Tim, like two people that I loved so much that aren't here. And so it's been really hard. Like I post funny things and stuff, but that's really not the reality of what I'm going through. So it's like I want to show the fun side of things, but I also want to like say that it's been really difficult. Like I cry a lot, like each day, and I feel crazy, like more than usual. And just, it's hard. It's really hard. Life's crazy, but there's also so much beauty. And I don't know, I saw this card in my acupuncture office, or like front storefront, and it said, maybe someone needs to hear your story. So I keep thinking, like, I can't just show the fun parts. I need to talk a little bit about the hard parts. So that will come later. But I just wanted to share how good I feel, like inside my body. Like I'm also on like medication too, which is important because some people need that. And for my concussion, and then it also helps anxiety. And so I'm also thankful for that, but I know that like I can feel myself getting better. Like I had acupuncture yesterday, and they're doing stuff for like brain cell stem or different things, and like helping my minerals, because when I get worn out from gardening, like I literally can't do what I used to do because my concussion, and then I'm also grieving. So yeah, all this to say, I just wanted to tell you that I'm feeling really, really good today. Like, and I thought I should share that because for whoever needs to hear this, if you're going through really hard times, like losing someone or a concussion or a double whammy or a triple whammy, like there's so many people going through such hard times, but our bodies naturally want to heal from pain, from grief, from all these things. Our bodies are like so much more than we even know. Like I'm learning about like different systems. Like our systems are crazy wild, like circulatory systems, nervous systems, digestive systems. Like I don't even know what goes on in this. Each day is like a mystery fantasy wild portal through a nebula journey for me. And I'm just excited to share my art journey and my home journey. Like I never even thought I'd have a house before. It's crazy. Like I've always just had like shitty apartments with like bed bugs downtown Montreal, and like I lived with my brother like in the Scarborough and like a little place. And the artist life is not easy. It's not for everyone. You have to be okay with struggling to succeed, and it's shitty. Like for everything where there's success, you have to be willing to put in the time and the work. And so I know that my work's going to get stronger through all of this, but I just I don't know. Or I do know, but I don't. But it's a wild journey, and yeah, things get better if you're going through something. Talk to people, get therapy, take pills if you have to. The right type. See what's right for you. Prescription, not others. No party pills. I mean, do whatever you want. I don't know what to say. Don't take drugs. Cut! What a bitch! She's into superstitions, black cats and the voodoo dolls. I got the premonition. She make you take your clothes off and go dancing in the rain. Na, 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 na. And she take away that pain like a bullet to the brain. Come on, upside, inside out, living la vida loca. Push and pull you down and skin's a color mocha. She will wear you out, living la vida loca. She living la vida loca. She's living la vida loca. Upside down, inside out, she living la vida loca. She will wear you out and living la vida loca. Lips are color gray, the skin's the color mocha. There is. Suck it, bitch. Happy Nico. That's a bag.